the issue with this machine is that it breaks needle. Yeah, it breaks needle sometimes when I'm sewing with it. So I'm going to lose the plate here to check the cause of it. So I'll take off the engine cover and the carrier out. As you can see, there is a little space there. There is space between the carrier and the inner carrier, as you can see it. So I'll be closing that. I'll be closing the space there by using the screwdriver to bend this inner carrier. Just bend it a little like I did now. Confirm. Yes, this one is okay, because if I close it too much, it will cause scattering of thread. So at least you just have to leave a little space there. So that is it. Then I'll chisel this needle rod a little. If you've been one of my serious subscriber, you understand this process. So I'll just chisel this rod a little so that the needle will not be, hitting the carrier. It will not be that close to the carrier, because when it's too close to the carrier, it's what causes it to break the needle. So let me take off this pesa foot first. So I just chisel it a little, then I'll confirm if the gap if there's enough gap there now, or the closeness is not too much. Right, I'll be fixing the plates back. So I'll just oil the machine. So make sure you always oil your machine. It's always important to oil your machine, but don't do it too much. It's not like you'll be oiling the machine every day. At least 3 times in a week or 2 times in a week is okay. So let's try out the machine now. I'm going to fix the thread and sew on it in the fabric. I'll just fold the fabric and see if it will still break the needle or skip, because it usually breaks needle when it's on a thick fabric. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe.